My name's David Wood. I am a FEO facilitator. I've been here now for 2 years, thoroughly enjoyed it and seen how the development of the candidates coming along. I think it's very important for people setting up in business to come along to events like these, because it's a very scary place setting up in business. It's also a very lonely thing to do if you've been used to working for somebody else in a large environment, to actually take the plunge and be responsible for all your own actions and making sure you get a wage at the end of it. And I think no matter how long you've been in business, I've been in business now since I was 21 years old, working for myself, there's still things you can learn. And I come along as a facilitator and I see and hear many things that are new to me, and I'm thinking, yes, I can apply that to my business. So whether you're a startup or you've been in business for several years like me, then you've got to come along to these events.